zoom.
Hey, hey. Hello, we are the beach.
Yes, we are the beach.
Yes. Now we are in.
Beach. Oh no. Yes, we are in Erawan National Park.
Yes.
And who are? Oh no, yeah, we already said that we're the beach. Right? Introduce ourselves. MPL.
I'm Jim.
I'm Peter. No.
Huh?
Nice. Who?
I'm Captain America.
Okay, that's next. Oh.
Another group? Okay.
What are we doing today? Sleeping.
Yes.
It's very nice place.
What happened last night?
Raining.
Yes, we camping here and it's
Yeah, this is our
raining
tent.
was coming.
It has a wind, lightning. Very scared. What about your tent?
Beauty sleep.
Like a warp.
Yes, WAP.
I slept last night and then oh yeah, morning now.
Me too.
I slept outside.
Why?
My friends don't love me no more.
Really?
I have no money. I have no home. I have no life. Sleep outside.
So you wanna sleep here again this night?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we'll let you sleep here and we will go to the hotel
Yes.
and sleep in the soft bed.
Give me the car keys.
Peter, are you awake?
I don't know what to say.
His head is lost.
I have nothing to say.
Then your score will be minus.
Where's your tie?
Okay, see ya at the
Waterfall.
waterfall. See ya. Go.
Bye.
Hi, I am Nam Phung. I am the member of the peace group. Today, all of my members are going to Erawan Park, or it's like a waterfall. Erawan, located in west in Thailand, in Thanasam Hill, range of Kanchanaburi province. It is home to one of the most popular waterfalls in the country. The major attraction of the park is the 7-tier Erawan Fall with emerald green pearls. There are also several impressive and long caves within the park, some of them deeper inside the park, and few of them along the road around the park. The park and the fall are named after the three heads of white elephant of Hindu mythology. The top tier of the fall is said to resemble an elephant head. Erawan National Park is open for visitors 8 a.m. until 4:30 p.m. every day, although the official closure time is 4:30 p.m. So you will see the beautiful things. Some kind like this. I cannot go with them, so I have to look at the picture and then tell what is this. Oh, I have a lot of fish.
The conqueror.
Yeah. We are not
This
the peach
fun
anymore.
Fun is mirror. It's like a mirror.
How far did I come to here?
More than 12, right? 12 meter.
Not 12 meters. 1.3.
Yeah.
Around 1.3 kilometer. They have 7 levels of a waterfall. Waterfall. Yes. And now we are at the end, at the top of it. 7 levels. Called Erawan. What about order? Remember?
I remember Nike and Peter is
Over there.
going to swimming.
Yeah, jump to
It's very
waterfall.
high and hot and we very tired. Yeah. Woo. It's very nice place. Yeah. And look at it. Oh, look at this.
Nó bu như này. Hả? Nó bu. Chúng ta phốt nó bu bao giờ?
Okay. This is a natural fish bar. Yeah. It's very big.
Anh nghe chim nha.
Look at that.
Nó tuột ra quá.
Cây ní. Cây này mà.
The conqueror. Woo.
Now we got it at the 7th floor, 7th step of the Erawan Waterfall.
What is called? It's called ภูผาเอราวัณ Yeah. Woo. And nice over there. Over there.
Yeah.
Oh, it has like a spa, fish spa inside. Water. In the
Free
water.
fish bar. It's natural. You can.
Take a look at anything. Around here. See? This is the in the jungle. So try and more to be here. Take a look.
What? You sleep it again?
Okay, we got it and time to stop the trip now. Because we have to spend the time to check that. Okay, time to say that. Bye bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our channel.
Okay.
Okay? And follow us next video. Thank you. Bye bye.
Ui